Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to remove this trim piece right here. I'm going to use a trim tool. Slide under here. Pry up a little bit. Pry it up like that. These are the retainers that were holding it on. That one was holding us up a little bit. Just push down on that. And then we'll disconnect the electrical connector. I'm just going to push this button right here and pull out the connector. To get the window switch out, we're going to take a small flat blade screwdriver. And there's some retainers right here. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on the switch as I pry out on these retainers on that side, and then I'll do the same on this side and push the switch right out. And it'll pop out. To install the switch, make sure it's facing the proper direction. And we'll slide it in like this and lock it in place. I'm going to connect this electrical connector to the window switch. Just line it up, lock it in place. We can take this trim, line the retainers up there and there. And we can just push it down, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.